Hi everyone, thanks for visiting drivinglessonscork.ie. Now, as you can see here from the caption on the screen, today we're going to do a little video on clutch usage in a manual transmission car. So let's get to it. Now, clutch usage in a manual transmission car. We're going to do a little short video on this. I promise you it's going to be very short and sweet and to the point. So the first thing you use a clutch for in a manual transmission car is when you're stopping. Now, when you're stopping, the brake will stop you, but putting the clutch in a couple of meters before you're stopping with the brake already on will keep the car from stalling when you actually stop. Okay? Now, in your driving lessons, be clear on this, okay? Talk to your driving instructor about stopping and get it right. The brake is first, and then 7 or 8 meters out from stopping, you also get the clutch in, because the clutch will keep the car from stalling when you stop the car by using the brake. Okay? The brake will stop the car, and the clutch in, with 7 or 8 meters to go to your stopping position, will keep the car from stalling. Now, the second thing you'd use the clutch for is to change a gear. Now, everyone, when they drive on and they speed up a little bit, they go up a gear and they come off the clutch, naturally enough. So just repeat the trick when you slow down. Okay? Go down a gear, maybe when you slow down, depending on what speed you're at, and come off the clutch nice and slow. Okay? If you go to first gear, we'll say down from second gear to first gear, you may also use the clutch as much as you need when you're in first gear, or if you're moving the car slowly in reverse gear, for that matter. So just to recap, folks, use the clutch when you're stopping, to change a gear, and to go slowly in first gear or reverse gear when needed. That's it, folks. Make a screenshot of it if you want. Okay? That's all you use the clutch for. Too many people overuse the clutch, and what happens is the clutch doesn't last as long as maybe it should otherwise. Its useful life is very much lessened. Clutches are not cheap to renew. To get a new clutch into cars costs at least 400, 500 euros or more, depending on where you go to get the job done. And also, if you use the clutch too much, you'll be losing out in a second way then, because you're losing out on fuel economy. If you use the clutch correctly, your fuel economy is very good, because your fuel lasts longer, hence that's better for your pocket. And of course then, if you're using less fuel with good clutch usage, that's also better for the environment, because you're emitting less carbon into the atmosphere out the exhaust pipe of your car. So folks, that's it in this video. Thanks very much for watching. If you liked the video, please do like the video, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. We'll make little videos to help people along now and again with their driving, and this is one of them. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below this video, and we'll try and reply to them as soon as we can. Thanks, folks. Until next time, bye for now.